How to live stream on TikTok with OBS. In here, I will be reading to you a step-by-step process on how to do it. Step 1. Download and install OBS. On Step 2, open OBS and set up your scene. This is where you add your video and audio sources such as your game capture, webcam, and microphone. Then on Step 3, configure settings. In the settings menu, you'll be able to adjust things like your bitrate, resolution, and frame rate. You can see this one over here, your sources and your scenes. On Step 4, start streaming. Once you've got everything set up, click the Start Streaming button in the OBS interface. Your live stream will now be live on your chosen platform. Click on Start Streaming. Now, this time let's open Settings. Once we open Settings, a window will pop up. In here, your general settings will now be outputted. For now, let's click on Stream. This is where you will stream or choose your streaming platform. In here, you'll need to make adjustments over at video as well. Now close OBS settings. On Step 5, let's go to Settings, Stream, Service, and Custom. Now go back to your OBS. Click on Settings. Then go to Stream. In here, over at the service, choose which service you're going to be using. For now, let's click on Custom since TikTok is not here. Now go to TikTok, follow the instructions below to set TikTok. Go back to TikTok.com. In here, click on Create Effects. Now tap on your profile on the bottom right. In here, you will need to copy the key of TikTok to OBS. Then you are good to go live. Over at Stream, this is where you will paste your stream key and your server. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.